Hi guys, this is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and in today's video we are riding Kawasaki ER-6F, the green beast. Let's go and do a test ride. Those of you who are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and support my channel. Thank you. What it is like to ride a Kawasaki ER-6F. F means fully faired version. Firstly, it is a 650 2-cylinder. It means parallel twin. It has 72 horsepower, producing the peak of power at 8,500 RPM. It has 66 Newton meters of torque at 7,000 RPM. Transmission is 6-speed. The bike, it's not light. We should mention that it has 209 kilos weight, but according to the competition, it's, let's say, 10 kilos heavier. The fuel tank is 16 liters. The seat height is not low, is not too low, is not too high. It is 805 millimeters. This particular bike is 2013 and it is a non-ABS version, and it is interesting that the production of ER-6F started early in 2006, and later, after 2012, it became also known as Ninja, so Ninja 650. Riding this bike, it's easy. The engine is smooth as a 2-cylinder can be. It has enough power to get you into trouble and out of trouble. It really gets up from 6,000 RPMs on, and then you really feel that kick of this 2-cylinder engine. Even though the bike has more than 200 kilos, it feels light enough, and it feels nimble and easy maneuverable. The clutch is light and it engages fine. The brakes are okay according to the price range of the bike. So we should mention that this bike had in 2006 and even 2012 a very good price. So it was not pricey. Let's say that it was in the 6,000 to 8,000 euros price range, and taking into consideration this fact, brakes are more than okay, and the same is with the clutch, and the same we can say about the transmission, that is smooth and that it engages very well. The bike has a sporty look. We can say that it is a good looking bike. At the front it has a nice fairing that is adjustable manually, so you should unscrew those two bolts and then the windshield gets up. Tires, the front one 120/70/17 and the rear one 100 60, 60, 17 standard tires for a 650. Mirrors are on the fairing and are foldable, and you can see very well behind you. The dash, it's easy readable. It has digital speedo and analog ref counter, and it is clearly seen in any condition. The clutch lever and the brake lever both are adjustable, so this is a big plus for this bike. Under the seat it's a tiny storage for small objects, and here we can see the owner has mounted a 12-volt socket. Sitting on a bike feels okay for someone my height. I am 185 centimeters tall, so it is not the most comfortable position because of the knee angle, that it's a bit cramped, but it is okay for, let's say, 200-250 kilometers ride. The stock exhaust, it's quiet, but when the bike reaches higher RPMs, it has a nice sound. One thing more to mention, this bike has a very good seat. It is soft and very comfortable for longer rides. This bike is for anybody that would like to have a two-cylinder parallel twin bike, not too powerful, to have some fun in the twisties, and also for someone whose priority is a fully faired bike. The bike has enough space for a passenger. You can mount top case or saddlebags and even a tank bag, so it could be a good touring bike. The windscreen is good, not great, but good. I didn't feel any turbulence, just the fresh air on my helmet. But I have to say that the windscreen was in the lowest position. Pros: it has a very good price point, so you can buy this bike for very little money today. It is easily and nicely manageable and stable, I mean cyclistically and engine-wise, and it has a very comfortable seat. Cons: it has some vibes around 4,000 and 7,000 revs, but this is common with any two-cylinder bikes, let's say more or less. It has less legroom for taller riders, and according to the modern standard, it's a bit heavy. That's all. This is all for now. This was Kawasaki ER-6F, the green beast. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and like always, like, share and subscribe. Till the next one.